Truck accident attorneys in Dallas, TX. Dallas 18-wheeler accident lawyers Kraft and Associates PC understand just how dangerous being hit in and involved in a truck wreck. A collision with a commercial truck is exceptionally dangerous for occupants of a car, van, pickup, or other passenger vehicle. A fully loaded semi weighs as much as 18,000 pounds, which is significantly more than an average 4,000-pound passenger car. When a heavy truck hits a lighter vehicle, there is a very high likelihood of a serious catastrophic or fatal injuries for the people in the passenger vehicle. About our truck accident law firm. At Kraft and Associates PC, our legal team investigates and litigates accidents involving all types of commercial trucks, including tractor-trailers, 18-wheelers, box trucks, dump trucks, and delivery vans. We represent victims in truck accident cases as well as families who have lost loved ones in accident involving commercial trucks. Let the law offices of Kraft and Associates PC advise you about your rights after an accident caused by a negligent trucker. You should seek legal advice immediately before you discuss the matter with an insurance adjuster and before you sign anything. We are an established and professional law firm with friendly lawyers and staff who are easy to talk to. Please contact us today for help with your truck accident case. We handle personal injury and SSD claims on a contingency fee basis, meaning you don't pay unless we recover money for you. Texas truck accident statistics. An article by the Legal Examiner using data from the Texas Department of Transportation in 2020 reveals surprising facts about commercial vehicle accidents in Texas. In a single recent year, there were 580 fatalities from crashes involving trucks and other commercial vehicles. Data from a recent NHTSA report in 2020 reveals that Texas had the highest number of large trucks involved in fatal crashes at 622 and the largest number of total vehicles involved in fatal crashes. The highest number of occupants of large trucks killed was 116 in Texas. Gathering evidence after a commercial truck accident. After an accident involving a heavy truck, it is important to get help from a truck accident lawyer who can work with experts and accident reconstructionists to find out what really happened. Truck accidents are often very complex. Special regulations govern truckers and the trucking companies that employ them. Violations of these rules may indicate fault for the accident.